because he was a bad student. We took his head from his body and flushed it down the potty, and round it went, and round it went, and finally it went down that drain.
You had your very first lesson today. Piano lesson. What did you think?
Good.
Okay. Tell me if you were nervous, excited.
Excited.
Yeah. Do you think you're going to be able to do it? I think you can too. Louise thought you were handsome.
Yeah.
She thought you were stout. She said, look at those hands. Is that funny, Cody?
Yeah. What's that mean?
That's right, you skipped one. Good. Good catch. There, let me see those hands. Man, even your hands look muscly. Stocky little shorter fingers. They'll get bigger. They'll get bigger, but they're strong, I can tell. Okay, now we're going to remember something. In the middle of every tube is a D. Can you remember that? Remember, hey diddle diddle, the D is in the middle. Awesome, that's perfect. Put your thumb right there. 1, now go 2, 3, that's good. Now tuck your thumb under. Tuck that thumb. You gotta look if you need to, okay, Boston? You'll get it. 1, now 2, good. 3, 4, 5.
I know Louise was super happy with you. She has known me since I was in 2nd grade. I took piano lessons from 2nd grade until I was a junior in high school. I should have done my senior year, but my mom let me quit.
You quit early?
I did, because that's just, you know, I just did, okay? I just did. And I think my mom was worn down from me fighting it, and she just said, fine, you can quit. And I shouldn't have, I should have stuck with it, but I really enjoyed my senior year, so. I never realized what a real sacrifice it was for my mom and dad to put all 5 of their kids in piano lessons for 10 solid years. 10 years times 5. Anyway, when we all got married, my parents got us a piano, and that was a sacrifice for them. And like most things, you don't appreciate them until long, long later. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for teaching me and all my siblings piano. And I didn't realize, I mean, I have the same teacher that my mom worked with. It is a partnership. She always tells me, she always says, I support you and I will reinforce your rules with these kids, and you reinforce my rules at home. And so we really work as a team, and that it feels rare. That feels really rare, and she's really hard on them at piano, and she's like, you don't need to worry about it. You don't stress. Let me do this. Let me help your kids learn responsibility, and let me hold them accountable for what we work on with. And she's like, you don't worry about it at home as a mom. And I mean, that is worth every penny that I'm paying her. And they're gaining like a best friend. My piano teacher is someone that, Louise, she's like one of the most important woman in my life outside of like my family, like outside of my, oh, okay, well, I thought he was gonna give me another hug. No, just wanted to play the bongos on my butt, okay? Outside of my aunts, and anyway, okay. What did you say? Asabayu? All right, Bossy wants to show Dad all that he's learned for piano. Okay, where's middle C? Well, you gotta play it. C. Okay, play C scale. What finger do you start with? 1. Good job. So that's the C scale. Boston.
Yeah.
No, remember you got to do it even. Even. Okay, so from C scale and up, what's that called?
Treble clef.
Okay, and what is, and what hand do you use to play in the treble clef?
Right.
Show me your right hand. Okay, from middle C and down, what's that called?
Bass clef.
Bass clef, and what hand do you use?
Left.
Show me. Okay, Daddy, pick a note, any note. Pick a note, any note.
A key? Or
Yes,
what do you mean?
a key.
Okay.
All the any white key. Come on. All right, let's see. Bossy. Oh, easy.
C.
C, that's right. Okay, Daddy, pick one more. Okay, that should be easy. Go ahead.
C, D, E, F, G.
G.
Goodness sakes.
There are only 8 keys, huh, boss? So, what have we got?
C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.
So today, it's Friday, and so this is my friend Reagan, and we're here at the Aggies State football game, and we have the box seats, and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go crazy. Her parents said no, but I think we are, so. We just got a lanyard to go to the box seats. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much.
We just got the most incredible package in the mail. Joel Hoellein, this is the sweetest package in the whole world. So on Instagram, I showed these. Okay, well first, pause. Joel ordered these Crocs off of eBay. I loathe them. They are they're the same style that he used to have in black, but the black pair was completely worn out. And so he's been looking for these Crocs. Keep in mind, Crocs, people.
They stopped making this one.
They did. So before you unveil, I put a thing on Instagram and I was like, guys, if anyone can find these, please let us know. This person emailed me. I just can't even believe it. So
I can't wait.
they sent us these shoes. A viewer sent these shoes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're what? I mean, come on.
They're in perfect condition.
I will treasure these forever.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Joel. That is so kind. Regina bought these shoes and then broke her ankle and has had 5 surgeries since. And so she said she's never going to be able to wear these. And so she sent them to us. I did Venmo her and couldn't be more grateful.
I'm gonna have to like really limit where I wear these.
I know.
Because I mean, I just wore the crap out of my other ones because I could find them readily available, and you can. So
We bought them when we first went to Hawaii. Joel wore them in the water. Like those were his water shoes.
That was my first like light blue pair.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. So he's been through several of these, and it's really hard for Joel to find shoes that work for his feet. So Joel, use your other black ones and the hideous ones for like
They don't deserve to be called that.
when you go like, you know.
These ones will be for like when they're dressing up.
Yes, and we will think of Regina every single time we wear them.
I mean, I gotta find my other black one to show you.
Okay.
How the one sold is.
These are brand new. She is a blessed angel.
Oh, I'm so happy.
She is a blessed angel. What's so funny? Oh, his poor. Okay, these are his ones that he just wore through.
Do you know what I love about them though? Is you can throw them literally in the washing machine with a towel and they come out looking that clean. They do. But
Let's do a little comparison.
Like-
Put them side by
oh
side.
dear.
Olivia's laugh makes me laugh. Oh, these are the same size, and he has like worn off the shoe.
Well, like-
you can see like the bottom right here, how
Push
there's like a
how soft it
divot.
is.
I can
And that was
see.
why I had to like stop wearing it because I was like, man, my feet hurt now when I wear them because there's nothing to them.
There's the bottom comparison. Turn them to the side. Let's see the side comparison. They have literally shrunk. Look at this.
Kind of look up in there. You see how smooth it is? Like there's some sole there. Look at that. It's like a crater.
And that one
Nothing left. Oh, that's funny.
Regina, thank you for saving my life, my Crocs life. I'm going to have a nice time.